Hello dear friends, at the very first I want to show you something. First open your WhatsApp and then if I click in search here, see there is a very simple texture behind the text. But if you want to change the text background or if you want to keep your own picture or somebody's picture, then you can do it so easily. So let's get started. After opening your WhatsApp, look at the top right corner, click on this three dot icon, now click on settings, and now you see a search option here, so click on it. Now select the second option, default set theme. And now look at the last option, wallpaper. Just click on it. Now you get some default set wallpaper here. For example, I've selected this one. So after selecting your set wallpaper, just click on the tick mark in the top right corner. But if you want to keep your own picture or somebody's picture in the set background, just go back. Now see at the very top set there is an option choose from your gallery. Click on it and it will redirect you to your phone gallery. Just select the picture that you want to keep in your set background. This is the custom picture that I've selected from my phone gallery. And after selecting your pictures, just click on this tick mark at the top right corner. So this is how you can change your WhatsApp set background. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative content, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.